will demonstrate how to remove old floor marking, correctly prepare a surface for new tape installation, how to install Pathfinder tape in a straight line, as well as how to properly outline a door or exit. To skip ahead, use the annotations located at the bottom of the screen. If there is old or unwanted floor marking tape or painted lines that need removing, use a flat-edged paint scraper or putty knife. Remove tape by chipping away at each corner of a line. A heat gun can be used if a paint scraper alone is ineffective, and a non-citrus-based degreaser will remove all leftover adhesive residue. The first step in successful installation of Pathfinder tape is to ensure that the application area has been properly cleaned and dried. A dry, clean application surface allows for the tape's adhesive to cure completely. After cleaning dust and debris, use a non-citrus-based degreaser on any tough stains or oily spots on the floor. Then, mop the area with warm, soapy water. Leave time to dry, and you're all ready to apply Pathfinder floor marking tape. There are no exact regulations for floor marking, so the first rule of thumb is to stay consistent. In this example, we'll be using Pathfinder rigid tape designed for long-term industrial use to create a line 6 inches from the storage rack. Measure out your beginning and end points using a ruler or tape measure. Then, using a chalk, laser, or reference line, follow the intended path to assure straight application. Remove the adhesive liner at the beginning of the roll and apply approximately 10 to 12 inches of tape to the floor. Smooth the tape out and apply even pressure to ensure a strong adhesive bond. Following the reference line and applying light tension, begin to remove the adhesive liner in sections of approximately 3 to 5 feet at a time and begin to install the tape. Applying in short sections allows for accurate installation, no wasted tape, and helps avoid bubbles or creases. Continue this process until the job is done. Once Pathfinder tape has been successfully installed, allow 24 hours for the adhesive backing to fully cure for heavy use. Make sure the application area has been properly cleaned. This involves making sure that there are no oily areas, dust, or dirt. Remember that there are no exact regulations for floor marking, so stay consistent. In this example, we'll be outlining a doorway using Pathfinder hazard striped flex tape. Use the frame of the doorway as the guidelines. Place Pathfinder tape on either side of the door frame, creating perpendicular lines. Now, lay the cross piece down. Create 2 90-degree corners at the intersections and smooth out all remaining end pieces. If you need assistance creating corners using Pathfinder, follow the link. And with that, your doorway is safely designated, alerting workers to keep clear or beware of constant traffic.